paper put aside in case they come for you. Took it out the house when booked the room at the W.
Good morning, good afternoon. Whenever you see this video, I got love for you. This is your boy Sleep the Barber, and this is another barber video of a sneaker review of the Jordan Retro SE 3s Cameo Edition. It's something you haven't seen on people's feed, but it's been out here for a year, but we still gonna have to do a review on it because it's an unboxing. And if you all into the military hut, you know what I'm saying, when a hut, we got you, know what I mean? We got you, boy. Right here, you know what I'm saying, it's unboxing of the Jordan 3s Cameo. Look at the box is official, you know what I'm saying? We got all types of joints on here. We got some all the numbered shoes, you know what I mean? 1, 2, 3s all the way to 13. But these are the 3s though, baby. We got the last shot, see, you feel me? Him throwing that fadeaway on Bill Russell. Oh, not Bill Russell, Brian Russell, my bad. Rest in peace, Bill. No, rest in peace, PnB Rock, you feel me? Fucks with you, my boy. You know what I'm saying? Rest in peace. Everything is lit, you know what I'm saying? When that shit was out, had the old city up, you know what I'm saying, with YN Lucci. But anyway, these are the shoes, and this is what we mainly here for. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, comment on the video, and I'm gonna get right back at y'all with this heat that y'all definitely gonna need. We're gonna keep on learning. Ooh, these guys right here. Now these are official tissue. Both shoes are different, you know what I mean? A different pattern wave. This was like the year of the patchwork. There's a lot of patchy shoes, quilty type of shoes that came out last year. But these were the official like Jordan arm fatigue joints with the patchwork. You feel me? You know what I mean? Got a nice suede right here, material right here, different color, green toe, brown toe. You know what I mean? Camouflage look, tan toe. You know what I'm saying? We got it all for you. You feel me? Got the laces. It got the Nike logo right here. I think you can patch it somewhere on here. I ain't never tried, but I don't know where you put it at, but you know what I'm saying? Maybe it go on the side of this bit. I don't know where the fuck it go, but yo, we got it though. You know what I'm saying? These exclusives, you know what I'm saying? You ain't gonna see too many people wearing it. And we got fits that wear this too, you know what I'm saying? We got the orange and black, white bottom, you know what I mean? Tappy toes, you feel me? And you know it's real, you feel me? What else we got on these joints? I mean, I think you should put these on feet, you know what I mean? To get the real effect on it, get your fit right. You know what I mean? Hut, you know what I'm saying? About face, you know what I mean? You know, you wanna get in your traditional mode, you know what I'm saying? I know we going to walk, you know what I'm saying? These are perfect J's to put on, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, you wanna bomb some shit, or you know what I'm saying, if you in Chirac, you live in that Chirac light, that drill light, you know what I'm saying? Circle the block, you know what I mean? Circle the block like you fucking circling Saturn or something, you know? But anyway, look what I got for you though. Look, tongues are different. The tongues are both different, you know what I'm saying? The joints are hard, you know what I mean? They're hard, different. They different. And there's something different what Jordan really don't usually bring to the table, you know what I mean? Something totally different. Totally different, yo. You feel me? I think you should wear these, boy. You might as well cop these shits. But yo, I'm up out of here. Peace, love. Check my barber videos. We earning and learning in this motherfucker. You know how we do. We learning and earning here. You know what I mean? So check my videos out. If y'all want some stock videos, let me know. Comment in the video. More sneaker videos to come. Next week is gonna be another pair. I know y'all sucking your heads on them off-white, green, off-white Air Force One. Nope. But I don't got them, but I wish I did because them shits is going for the high. I'm out though. Peace.